Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun just to kind of do an unboxing video. I don't think I've ever, well, maybe once, done an unboxing video on this channel. But I happened to get 3 fun things in the mail that I hadn't opened yet, so I was like, let me do this. This first order is from Ohana Story, and I am in love with the vinyl sticker that comes with the sticker subscription that you can get now on their website. It's so cute. I don't know which planner I'm going to put it on yet, but I'm excited to do it. And I really like the colors in the subscription. And then she has this new fun doodle sheet with daily things, so I'm excited to use that. And then I also had an order here, and I'm just gonna flip through and show you guys all the really cute stuff. And then she always hand letters your name. I think it's so nice that she does that. If you shop Ohana Story, you can use my name in the comments or in the code and just put Nicole 15 for a percentage off, and then you get the freebie too. So I think her stickers are super cute. I love to accessorize my daily planner with them, and these are awesome. I found these and I got really excited. Little speech bubbles, and then these little frying pan with the eggs. It's so cute. It's like a little face. And then I made sure to get these headache ones. I don't know, I've been having a headache every day. It's annoying, so I think maybe I should just start keeping track of it. And then that big box underneath is my Archer and Olive subscription. I couldn't believe it came in so fast. I'm so surprised and excited. So I'll open that last, but I also have my order from the Coffee Monsters Co. So I'm going to open that. And I kind of hesitate when I go through it because I realized that I didn't get one of her new sticker not albums, but sticker books that she had. So I know it'll be available again, so I'll make sure to pick it up. But these are the inserts for this binder, and it's super cute. Just a little storage system for the stickers, and you can put more than 4 in there, but it's 4 if you want to be able to see them. So I got some more. And then Helen this year started putting these stickers. Everybody who works there has their own little sticker, and I think it's so cute. So I kind of collect them to keep track of who packed my orders, and it's just kind of silly but super fun and adorable. Okay, so this is everything I got. I got the new Christmas washi, which I'm excited to use, and it's adorable as always. Super cute. Sorry, I should probably have swatched it for you guys. And then that's a little freebie. Oh, there's the little sticky notes book that I messed up. But I like to get the little deco sheets and the books for all my reading. I'm out of frame. Sorry, guys. And then these are the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the daily headers. And I like to use those. They fit perfectly in my cousin or even in the Touch Show. And these are the cute little sticky notes for the album. And then I noticed that on the corner she put different sizes. So they're all different sizes. I really like them. They'll be super useful. And then I made sure to get the new kits. These are cousin size, and they're just adorable as always. It's my word of the day. I like these Christmas colors. I think they'll look super fun in the planner. I always get that 3rd sheet so I can have the bottom washi. Okay, so there's that, and then I'm going to show you guys the Archer and Olive subscription box. I'm pretty sure that if you go on the website, it is still available. beautifully packaged, super pretty. And the first thing once I figured out how to open the box, there's some mechanical pencils, and they're actually really nice. The only thing that is kind of like, but I know that they wouldn't be as nice if they had an eraser. So, but other than that, they're like they write really well. They don't like break off quickly, and they're just super quality, so I like them. I was really excited when I saw this was in the box, is these super nice scissors. And then you can see that the box they come in is really sturdy, and they're just quality scissors. They're small, they'll look nice. I wouldn't necessarily take them anywhere with me because they're kind of sharp, but definitely for planning. And then you get 4 washi tapes. And I like that 2 of the tapes are like specifically oriented up and down. So you can see that the hearts and then the blue one go vertically rather than horizontally, which I like. It's just a little decorative tin that you can sit on your desk and matches the theme. And I think what's nice about it is that it fits a lot of different pens inside. So if you have the Archer and Olive holograph pens or whatever you want, really, they'll fit in there and you can just store it nicely. This is the paper packet that it comes with. You get 2 pages of stickers, and the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, they're vibrant stickers and they look so beautiful, and I really like the pattern on these pages. So you get a total of 2 for each color, and there's 4 different colors. So those will be fun to play with in my journal. Gel pens. So I really like the colors. I think they might be exclusive to the box or new for the box, at least just now, but they match the theme. They match the theme and they just look like a really nice quality, and I just wanted to show you guys how many pens you could actually fit in this tin. So that's 5 across. I think that's pretty impressive. And my husband is gonna kill me because I swear I have so many mugs, but this one's really, really pretty. The inside is gorgeous. The outside is really nice too, so I'm definitely looking forward to using this. And then my favorite part is the 2 notebooks. I pretty much get the box so that I can get the notebooks. I like that you can preview the box before you purchase, so if you decide you don't want it, you don't need to get it. This is an 8x8, and it's lined. So that's not normally my preference. I prefer a dot grid, but maybe I'll use it for journaling, or I don't know, you can use it for anything really. Who cares that it has lines, but we'll see. really the whole thing. The whole reason I got this box. I think it's so beautiful. The pattern on it is gorgeous. And it's just a really nice quality, thick notebook, which is really nice. And it has dot grid pages. And then Archer and Olive always has the band, which is pink here and matches nicely. And then they also have a ribbon and there's a pocket in the back. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.